that an event industry is like a drug.
One line to define Pratha.
And you should don't be afraid to try. Try.
Yeah.
If you fail, you fail. You learn from it.
Because Instagram is full of planners.
We had told the doctor that हम ये शादी खत्म करते हैं, बच्चा will wait.
Seriously.
I watch movie for a living, I travel for a living, I create weddings for a living, and I love what I do. So this is what it is in a nutshell. If you don't love it, you don't see yourself there.
Hi, Vivek and Shurvi. Thank you so much for making this for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for having us.
So Goldman Sachs से weddings और उससे पहले दो co-founder which is husband and wife, right? So just very curious to understand how you met and why Goldman Sachs, which is a pure financial institution, right? And coming to a different line of business, which is weddings. How this is possible?
Do you want to answer that?
How we met is a rather longer story, but
But
a
still
shift.
you would like to do in short.
So we were working with another custodian bank much before we started working at Goldman. And that's where we met. I was not really enjoying the kind of work that I was given at that particular place, and which is why I wanted to shift. Because I have always liked being busier and wanting to do more. And Goldman Sachs was one such platform that I have always wanted to, I had rather always wanted
Yeah.
to be.
So for any
in.
investment banker, it's the dream place
Yeah.
to be, right?
Yes.
So I joined that place, and तब इन्होंने मुझे message किया था. There was a very brief period where we were not even really talking because, एक time था where we were like, नहीं यार, enough of knowing each other and all of that.
So we were best of friends.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we had certain incidences with amongst us which caused us to drift apart, and it had been about 3 to 6 months since we had even spoken or texted each other. And I mean, it was a small boutique firm, very big bank but a small boutique firm, and the growth factor was actually an impediment. So I also wanted to get a change, and she was already there. It had been a year since she had moved into Goldman Sachs. So I applied and got a job. And it so happened that we ended up, even though we were not talking technically, we were not friends anymore. We ended up, by God's providence, in the same team. We started in the same
Yeah, we were in the same team. We traveled on work together, and I mean, it grew from there, frankly. But when I was a part of that, there was a little secret side of me that always wanted to dance and go back to dancing. And I'm a Kathak dancer. And that was something that I thought was still being unfulfilled, apart from what I was really enjoying. तो मेरे को एक साइड से तो ये दिख रहा था कि oh my god, I'm at Goldman, a place that I've always wanted to be in. But at the same time, am I being the happy me? And then one fine day, somebody very, very, I wouldn't want to name him here, but
Yeah, sure.
I met somebody, and he gave me a little story behind what is happiness and what is that you need. And he asked me one thing: are you happy here? And I said, I love what I do. This is what I've always wanted to do. And he's like, but is this what makes you happy? And I said, yes, because in my head that time, that was everything I wanted. I had a house to myself. I had everything that you can probably ask for, right? Like, is this what is making you happy? And mere liye to wahi tha happiness. He's like, what is that Surbhi wants? Not what the Goldman Sachs person wants. And I says, I want to go get back to dancing. And then he's like, what's stopping you? And I said, because then I think I will not be able to do justice to both. And then he's like, do what your heart says. तो तब सारा छोड़ छाड़ के मम्मा पापा को पटा कर कि let me just take a.
Pursued your dancing?
Yes, I started.
Okay.
I had a dance school. I had over 150 students. And
This I was not aware of.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And then वहीं से शुरुआत हुई. सच बताओ तो प्रथा वहीं से शुरुआत हुई. मेरे डांस स्कूल से धीरे धीरे बच्चे जो उनकी माएँ भी आती थी, फिर वो बोलते थे कि सुरभि आप हमारे संगीत में कैसे कोरियोग्राफ why don't you choreograph for our sangeets also? So I started as a choreographer, taking my Kathak dreams to maybe a Bollywood dancing to all of this and to mainstream weddings. वहीं से शुरुआत हुई. Vivek would always accompany me because एक time ऐसा था where I was juggling between maybe 4-5 different houses to teach dance, and then it became impossible beyond a point because I would finish my work and college and all of that, and then I would get to dancing. तो काफी कुछ juggle हो रहा था. And then finally Vivek was like, I'll help you around because I told him that there is no way I can do this alone. उनके उसके दौरान I had done smaller events, like there were a गोद भराई and all of that, and I understood that एक जन से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, मतलब you can't, there is only so much a person can do, right? Until, and especially when you're starting out, you don't know who's who. आपको ये नहीं पता कि आप flowers कहाँ से लाओगे, आपको ये नहीं पता setup में light कैसे लगती है, so on and so forth. So that is when Vivek came into the picture. He brought a little balance to what I was doing, and वहाँ से प्रथा की शुरुआत हुई, realizing a dream of being a dancer to now making,
I was not even meant to join
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
first place.
yeah.
So I quit my job before her. I remember it was February 2013, and I wanted to start my own coffee shop. I'm a big coffee aficionado, and I wanted to start the roasteries. जो आप देख रहे हो ना फिलहाल third wave and all of those. I was thinking about that then, a proper New York style roastery. As they say, man proposes, God disposes.
Yeah.
She said, "तू you're wasting your time. तू घर पे बैठे बैठे क्या कर रहा है? Just help me out." I was like, fine. And whoever has stuck to the event industry for these many years, you ask anybody, they'll tell you that an event industry is like a drug. जब आपको इसकी लत लग जाती है ना, आप कुछ भी करो, आप उससे छुटकारा नहीं पा सकते हो. So I got, and both of us are very people's person, and I love meeting new people. I love interacting with them, knowing them, understanding them. So for me, it was a very natural thing, as it is for her. And the synergy between the two of us had always been there from the very beginning. So it was very natural for both of us to start this journey together. And that's when we actually fell in love and got married eventually.
So Pratha started by you initially.
Yes.
You got married,
Yes.
and then you came to event industry.
Yes. Essentially, yes.
Yeah.
In short, is this right?
Yeah. No, I joined, then fell in love, decided to get married, and then we.
But the chronology is more or less.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is what it is. Yes.
Yeah.
So I just brief you about the podcast, right? And the concept is that I carry approximately 15 years of experience in corporates, and then I started my own event company. So when I joined the event industry, right? So I understood that there's a lot of gap. First of all, there is no certification required. There is no interview level as Goldman Sachs or any other corporates will do. So that means the entry is very easy. However, but how to scale the businesses, how to make a brand and events. People who are very new to this industry, there's a lot of learning gap is required, and there's a lot of the learning gap is there. On the other hand, clients, be it's your luxury weddings, which you guys have the forte, and they still don't know how to do it, what to do it, and when to do it. So that means the learning gap is both at the end. So मैंने ये सोचा कि ठीक है, let's start the podcast so that people can learn both the way through our channel, and that can be, if 1 or 2% can also learn something from our conversations, then I think I'm just doing the right job.
It's worth it, right?
Yes. Right? So Goldman Sachs is all about finance, right? Weddings is, and that also you are into luxury weddings.
Yeah.
So before we just dwell deeper more, I just wanted to understand that what is Pratha and what's the vision of Pratha and how you are looking Pratha after 5 years from now.
वाह, ये तो कोई इंटरव्यू वाला क्वेश्चन है जैसे हम लोग को गोल्डमैन सैक्स में पूछा जाएगा था. But Pratha stands for tradition. It's a name that we didn't really Google or we didn't really search. It just happened to us, just like most of our things have happened. Pratha came to us. It began a good 10-11 years ago, and touchwood, we have had our teething troubles. We've had everything that can go right and wrong both, because it's with the wrong that you learn to do better. So, and yeah, we have crossed these milestones. What is our 5-year goal? Frankly, हमने 5-year goal setting as such हमने खुद नहीं की है, but it's only to get better, bigger, more collaborations, more wings to Pratha, having more such branches that can define us better into different streamlines of hospitality and weddings and all of that.
So if a customer or the client has to see Pratha, so one line to define Pratha.
Hmm.
हम हमेशा एक टैगलाइन यूज करते हैं हमारे बिजनेस में और हमारे क्लाइंट के साथ, फ्रॉम अ हेयरपिन टू अ हेलीकॉप्टर,
Oh wow.
right?
Yeah.
And we literally stand by it. There is nothing that we don't do. There is nothing that is our limitation today, considering we have partners. Like I just told you before this podcast began, that our partner is right now in Doha, and
Yeah.
so we have partners all across. There are different verticals that everybody is now, a subject matter expert of, and that is where we are able to branch out to different horizons. Like I have taken up design, he takes care of the operations. There's somebody who takes care of the client servicing, the guest
Guest
management,
management.
and all of that. So, and all of us together, including my staff, I call them my babies, and including all of them, we all form what
core,
is
yeah.
like a unit of such. And which is why we stand by a hairpin to a helicopter, because हमने hairpin तक प्रोवाइड किया है और हेलीकॉप्टर से विदाई तक कराई है, एंड शावर्स भी करवाए हैं. So yeah, there's nothing that is a no from
So
us.
again, मैं फिर से उसी चीज पे आ रहा हूँ. Finance. Then the interest was into dance, right? Which is again does not have any correlationship, and then again weddings. So what gap you saw, or was there just an aspirational thing, or just came it from your heart कि नहीं अब wedding करने का है अपने को?
See,
Actually,
I
there is a
came.
gap.
There was always a gap, but I also come from a Marwadi background. I'm a Marwadi, so हमारे घर में business is a driven thing. Like it's a आपके blood में flow कर रहा है, right? And so is money. But किसी के अंडर काम करना हमारे घर में किसी ने किया नहीं था शुरुआत में. I was the first one to even get into a job. Everybody were into businesses, and I was even questioned कि are you sure you want to do this? And I said yes. So it started from there, from a lot of no's to finally realizing कि ये finance है, and this is something that I want to do, and I have been aspirational towards it. Dancing was always a childhood thing, always. मतलब I have grown up dancing until the last day of finally signing my papers to joining a bank. I have continued to dance even when I was in college. So that never really changed. That side never really changed. So dance and finance were always a part of me regardless. अब क्या हो गया है कि आपको एक चीज शिफ्ट करने के लिए एक ड्रीम को थोड़ा सा बैक में जाना पड़ता है और एक ड्रीम को आगे. सो आई हैव लिव्ड इनफ. आई हैव लिव्ड दैट 7 and 8 years ऑफ माय फाइनेंसिंग जो मेरे को करना था. I have given that to an investment banking career. Now I'm happy taking art into maybe different forms. Kathak is obviously a dance form जिससे ये sprout हुआ. But अब जो मैं कर भी रही हूँ मुझे लगता है it's a form of art.
I'll add to that.
Yeah.
Actually, it's actually a punchline for you. From choreographing dances to choreographing weddings.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're still choreographing, right?
I am still doing that. So which is exactly what I
Yeah.
just said कि art form है ही अभी भी. अब हम शादियां कर रहे हैं, जो भी एक आर्टिस्टिक चीज ही है टेक्निकली अगर देखा जाए तो. आप आपकी जिंदगी का एक ही दो ही सपने होते हैं, या तो एक घर खरीदो या अच्छे से अपने बच्चे की शादी कराओ या खुद.
I was going through your work also, so there's a lot of combination of Indian grandeur to nature ka fusion,
Yeah.
which you design it. But I'll come to that part little later on. But again, what was when was the first thought process कि नहीं अब wedding करना है?
So I'll answer that question.
Or was it you or she?
It was her. I'll tell you what. So basically, as she mentioned, she was teaching dance, and a lot of her students would say, "Ma'am, we have a sangeet in our house, and we want to practice for this." And that's how it started, And slowly, when more and more people started coming in, and requests started coming like, why don't you come and be a part of this? आप देखिए कि हम कैसे करते हैं, हम गलती कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. So a lot of visual experience, whatever she saw, actually influenced and gave her that confidence also. And ultimately, these clients, Marwadis and Gujaratis per se, they were like, आप इतने creative हो, आप इस field में भी क्यों नहीं try कर सकते हो? And that's when it started, right? She started doing Godh Bharais. Then we became, for a very short duration, we became the Sangeet experts. वेडिंग प्लान कोई और कर रहा है, बट संगीत हम प्लान कर रहे हैं. हाँ. And I'm a very technically driven guy. Initially, I'll tell you, when I started off, I could hardly distinguish between a chrysanthemum or a carnation or a rose. A flower looked like a flower. End of story. 10 shades of pink doesn't matter. Pink is pink for me. Okay? That was it. But technically, I was very sound. I knew how to play with lights, how to make it look glitzy, glamorous, the tech part of the decor. And Sangeet is completely tech driven, right? You use intelligent lighting, you use sound, music, and stuff like that. So I was pretty good at that. So it was a very good combination. And it so happened that we got a wedding. We pitched for a wedding, and then संगीत तक ठीक था. 2-3 वेंडर्स जो थे हम काम चला लेते थे. अभी वेडिंग प्लानिंग में भाई इट्स लाइक अ ओशन. आप जितना डुबकी लगाओगे आप नीचे जाते ही रहोगे. यू विल नॉट फाइंड, इट्स अ बॉटमलेस पिट, राइट? सो हमने पिच करा. इट वाज अ सिंधी वेडिंग. इट वाज अ प्रीटी बिग बजट वेडिंग, प्रीटी बिग. फिर ट्रायल एंड एरर. God has been kind. We've wherever we've dipped our hands without knowing कि क्या होगा, he's always taken care. So
Yeah.
it's been, ऐसे ही सीखते 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 काफी बार गिरे भी हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि every experience, every wedding is.
इसी पे आने वाला था कि founders मतलब I get fascinated when I hear the failure stories more.
Yes, 100%. I agree.
है ना, because if somebody will say कि I have made this, I have made that, I
I
have
agree.
created this,
Yeah.
but to create that there will be lakhs and lakhs of failures behind
Of
that,
course.
right? So I just wanted to know a couple of big failures, initial point of your journey.
There have been cries, there have been failures, there have been anxieties, and anxiety is still there. I think हर शादी से पहले हमेशा ऐसा लगता है this is the first wedding. हमेशा ऐसी वाली फीलिंग आती है, यार ये तो पहली शादी है. जबकि मेरे टीम वाले हमेशा मुझे याद दिलाते रहते हैं कि मैम क्या हो गया है. But I think it is about that dream to make sure every wedding is a check mark for that parent or for that couple who have hired us to fulfill that one dream,
Yeah.
So teething troubles, जैसे मैंने कहा, failures तो बहुत हुए हैं. There was a very beautiful instance, I would say.
नीला पैलेस.
हमने एक बहुत अच्छी शादी है, अगेन आई डोंट वांट टू नेम द क्लाइंट, एक बहुत अच्छी शादी हमने, काफ़ी बिग बजटेड थी वो. सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा था. हमने सारे डिजाइनिंग कर लिए थे. वी हैड हायर्ड अ वेरी ग्रेट प्रोडक्शन टीम टू डू ऑल द हार्ड प्रोडक्शन. सो सॉफ्ट प्रोडक्शन इज समथिंग दैट वी डू आवरसेल्व्स. हार्ड प्रोडक्शन के लिए हमने एक अच्छा खासा बंदे को हायर किया था.
एक आर्ट डायरेक्टर था. He was an art director.
या
Okay.
सो हमने उनको हायर कर लिया था. सब कुछ हो गया था. शादी का फेरा का सब कुछ स्टार्ट हो गया था. मतलब द ब्राइड हैड ऑलरेडी एंटर्ड एवरीथिंग. इन द अदर रूम रिसेप्शन की तैयारी चल रही थी. हमने जिस बंदे को फैब्रिकेटर्स, अगर आप समझ रहे, तो हमने उनको एक फैब्रिकेशन, एक ड्रीम था हमारा, स्केच था, उसको हमने रियलिटी में उसको बनाने को बोला था. वो आ गया, बंदा लाया, वो तो एकदम अपसाइड डाउन था. मतलब इट डिडंट ऐड 1+1 एट ऑल. अब हमारे हाथ पैर फूल रहे क्योंकि विद इन 3 आवर्स पीपल आर गोइंग टू बी हियर. तो शादी चलो अभी चालू हुई है. So we have that 3 hours buffer, and 3 hours buffer is usually taken to do the finishing, do your BTS and so on and so forth, right? हम सोच रहे थे हम क्या करेंगे, अब क्या करेंगे, मतलब what will the client say and how are we going to turn this around? Vivek is very 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 well connected in Kema. In Kema तो खैर अब बना है, but even otherwise his vendor management, his vendor management, people know him in Bangalore, in Karnataka especially. मतलब कोई भी आ जाता है खड़ा हेल्प करने. और उस दिन क्या हुआ, एंड इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ आवर peers एंड colleagues, एंड आई वुड लव टू थैंक हिम हियर. विवेक ने जस्ट एक कॉल उठाया. ही कॉल दैट पर्सन. ही लाइक, भाई ये मैं इधर ऐसा सेटअप है, डू यू ऑल हैव एनीथिंग क्लोजर? देन मैन सेड, मैं अभी लोड करवाता हूँ. Within 1 hour's time, it will be there at Leela Palace.
45 minutes it was there.
45 minutes it was there, and 1 hour में तो ऊपर आ चुका था.
So 10 minutes before the reception would start, हमने क्लीनिंग स्टार्ट करवा दी थी. लिटरली 3 घंटे के.
हाँ, तो बैक एंड में
के
फ्लावर्स
अंदर.
चल रहा था, यहाँ पे उसका जुगाड़ चल रहा था, लाइटिंग हो चुकी थी. एंड व्हेन द क्लाइंट वॉक्ड इन, द क्लाइंट वाज लाइक, वाओ,
Wow.
ये क्या है? और मैं मन में सोच रही थी, हे भगवान, ओनली इफ
I mean, so it was, again, I would attribute it to God's blessing. He
एंड इट्स
just-
आल्सो योर इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप, फ्रैंकली, बिकॉज आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप अकेले सब कुछ कर पाओगे, बट if it is not for the industry, if it is not for your people, if it is not for the support system that you have built only through friendship and only through that word of mouth.
Yeah. You know, it's
It's
actually
just that.
in
आज
this
एक
industry.
फोटोग्राफर, हर फोटोग्राफर, हमारा फूल का जो दादा है, वो तक जाके हमारे बारे में पिच करके आते हैं. आज फोटोग्राफर्स के साथ ऐसी दोस्ती है जो शायद दे गो आउट ऑफ देयर SOP टू डू समथिंग फॉर अस, बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट दैट अल्टीमेटली. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एवरीथिंग इज रिलेशनशिप ड्रिवन, एंड it is because of his relationship that he had with him,
I'll add
with,
to that.
with the person. I think that happened and it turned around. And even today, when we are seeing the way we have expanded, we have collaborated with another brand, and now we are partners. And it only happened because of a relationship that we built through friendship, through having common interests, through having common goals.
Mutual
And
trust.
that is why we have the kind of photographers we work with, the kind of partners we have, the kind of vendors we have. It is just that relationship that is all driving it.
Does that happen that you guys become little uneasy to change your vendors?
Not really.
No.
We have over a period of time, मतलब बैंगलोर में तो पता ही है कि कौन है, but over a period of time we've also understood कि to grow, to go to that notch higher, you will have to experiment, you will have to try, you will have to go and maybe sometimes work out of your comfort zone, because पता है कि A के साथ तो आपका है.
तो वो डर
पर-
लगता है उस समय जब
नहीं.
हमेशा मेरे को
So-
तो लगता ही है.
नहीं,
I wouldn't lie.
I'll tell you what. So, we started off as wedding planners initially, right? It's in the past, I would say during COVID is when we started to branch out, because everybody was looking for different avenues, right? So, Surbi said, you know what? And back then, during COVID, हमको सिर्फ decor के ही काम मिल रहे थे. बिकॉज प्लानिंग का तो कुछ था ही नहीं ना. 20-25-50 लोग उतने ही हैं. तो डेकोर स्पेसिफिक क्वेरीज आती थी. एंड देन सुरभि रियलाइज, यार यू नो व्हाट, दिस कैन बी वेरी गुड रेवेन्यू जनरेटिंग मॉडल फॉर अस. एंड शी हैड बीन डूइंग designing from the very beginning when she started out, but then it was labeled under wedding planning. So she said, you know what, let's branch out, let's do wedding planning and wedding decor and design. Now, what happens in wedding design is that you work as a designer, okay? You are an artist and you have fabricators who you think are going to bring your visual interpretation to life,
Yeah.
right? So in Bangalore, all the ones that are there, the reputed ones, we have excellent rapport with them. We've built relationships over a period of time. So when we are working on a certain project, we are not stuck up with one particular fabricator or a production agency. We know if I'm doing a South Indian wedding, theme wedding, I can't go to a production agency that does North Indian style decor, right? So we have identified within our sphere who can be the best fit for us, and they understand our style of working. So predominantly it's me who talks to all the vendors, and my vendor management is my forte. So she is obviously jittery because for her, being the creative person, and she's very particular about the designs she wants. So अगर वो बोलती है कि मेरा ये visual representation है, मेरे को 100% इसको दिखाना है, depict करना है. So that is my job to tell her कि you know what, this person can do that for you. So
See,
yeah.
initially it was always a problem, and this is something that I have always told both Vivek and Sneh, that I can story tell. I can see, like मेरे को पता है कि drapes कहाँ से गिरेंगे. I can visualize it. I can, in fact, as I speak also, I can visualize a certain thing, right? मेरे में वो है, but I want someone to understand that visualization, get it into a paper, and put it to life. I will give you whatever it takes. I can give you all the briefing. संजय लीला बंसाली जैसा मुझे वो टसर ड्रेप चाहिए, chandeliers चाहिए, so on and so forth. I can give you every visual interpretation of whatever I have been dreaming. But to put it to life is a bigger task than doing the first,
Yes.
right? And that is where I, like he just mentioned, I get jittery. And ये एक बहुत बड़ा सीख था मेरे लिए, to finally be able to trust people. Because जब तक वो नहीं होगा तब तक वो हमेशा मन में एक डाउट रहेगा ही रहेगा, अरे what if. So it was a very big branch out rather for me. And today, because we work in so many different destinations also, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम स्किन थ्रू नहीं करते एंड यू नो हम देखते नहीं है कि व्हाट इज द forte of that particular vendor and all of that. We obviously do our bit of study, but then we also take a chance, and touch wood, the chance has never really failed us so far.
So the roles are predominantly defined that what you're gonna do
Yeah.
and what
Yeah,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So let's say you are into you head the operations. So vendor management selection is only your game, and if in case she has a say, and then there is a
I do.
See,
I do
everybody
have.
has a
I do have a
there's
say.
a disagreement on how you guys manage.
disagreements.
There will be always.
There will.
Yeah.
See, disagreements
Of
नहीं होता.
course.
It's more about creative differences, I might say.
Opinions is
हाँ.
okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So होता है, but you know sometimes we rationalize. You always have to rationalize. See, what happens is the dynamics are very different here.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, in most times, you end up taking work home.
Sure.
आप चाह के भी इसको आप नहीं कर सकते हो. You have to take work home because you're husband and wife primarily, but you're also partners,
Correct.
right? And end of the day, आप you're having dinner and strikes. अरे विव इसका क्या करना है? You end up talking about work.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो वो होता है, but then हम लोग इतना एक्सपीरियंस अभी हो चुका है ना कि she trusts me. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ यार हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत ले, मैं देख लेता हूँ. एंड शी सेज नहीं यार, मेरे को लगता है कि यार उसको देंगे तो होगा क्योंकि वो मेरी बात ठीक से समझ सकता है या वो एक्स्ट्रा एग्जीक्यूट करता है. अगर सो सुरभि इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर एज आई मेंशन. अगर वो 100% बोलती है ना, शी एक्सपेक्ट्स 120.
Understood.
I'm like those clients you never want to have.
सो
Rather than vendor itself.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो बोलती है नहीं यार इस इवेंट में ना अगर मेरे को जी जान डालनी है, इफ आई हैव टू डू समथिंग स्पेक्टेकुलर, वाओ, मेरे को वो वेंडर चाहिए. एंड आई विल बी लाइक या ठीक है, फाइन, यू नो वी कैन डू दिस.
And हमेशा ये एक चीज आती है, you know, and this is a insider joke where whenever these two give me a budget, जैसे एक budget close होता है,
ऑलवेज ओवरशूट्स इट मैन.
and ये दोनों मुझे हमेशा बोलते हैं सुरभि इसके ऊपर नहीं जा सकता आपका. And then there is always this little puppy face कि प्लीज ऐसे मत करो, you know, थोड़ा सा और मे बी मार्जिन थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दो. तो दोनों ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, जैसे आप बच्चों को नहीं बोलते कि ठीक है एक चॉकलेट और खा ले, तो ऐसे ठीक है इतना और बढ़ा ले. फिर मैं इस मन में सोचती चल बेटा अब तो. सो देन मेरे लिए वो क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, ऑल्सो टू गेट दैट क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम,
Yes.
बिकॉज लग्जरी डज कम विथ
Of course.
more than a cost. It has your storytelling into place, your taste has to match, then comes the cost.
Yes.
आपको मेरी स्टोरी ही नहीं समझ आएगी तो फिर वो पहले ही कनेक्ट नहीं होगा, एंड वो टेस्ट भी कहीं ना कहीं वी हैव टू गेट इट टुगेदर. तो आई नीड वेंडर्स हु कैन डू बोथ, एंड बजट पे लाना ना लाना तो वो ओवर अ पीरियड टाइम हो ही जाता है.
तो अब ऐसा होता है कि पहले ही आप मतलब अगर 100 का बजट है तो आप पहले ही इनको 80 देते हो, तो क्या आपको मालूम है कि
करना पड़ता है,
एक्सटेंड लिटिल अनदर 20
करना पड़ता है.
हाँ?
So she is not privy of the final figures until the end of the
I don't want to, and this is something that I've always told both Sneh and Vivek, that मुझे financial transactions पहले एक था, coming from a family of, like I told you, of all accountants and you know people with business orients. अब मुझे नहीं गुस्सा, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when I'm looking into creativity, I don't want to look into, yeah, it's like a trance जिसमें आप घुसते हो और आपको उससे निकलने का जरूरत नहीं लगता.
more so, you know, Arun, now clients are well informed, they're well traveled.
Yeah.
So when they say we want to do a luxury wedding, everybody works with a budget, right? But we always tell them you need to make it more dynamic because things change. She might find some idea which is better than the previous when it might cost 5-10 lakh rupees more. And if the client likes it, then he should be prepared to spend that kind of money. And they are. If they want to
These clients are well traveled, well
Yeah.
aware of everything.
They are, I mean.
Which actually works in our benefit also, because then it makes us do nicer things that maybe we wouldn't have thought. And
But vice versa, sometimes does that happen that I lean to some other places and I already have some thought process in mind, and when you are designing something, the client interferes a lot. And says,
No.
"Keep it."
so I'm a person who loves a creative feedback,
Okay.
right? If a client is being OCD'd about something as much as I am, yes, I have an OCD, and
Okay.
if the client is being OCD'd also, I would actually love that.
Okay.
मुझे वो interference नहीं लगता, as long as you are talking to me about how you like it. For example, you like your coffee very hot, you don't like whatever,
Yeah.
आप अपने वो सब बता दो, then it becomes very easy for me as a designer, because a blue can be any blue.
Correct.
I love blue, Surbhi, but what blue do you like? You like powder blue, you like, the royal
Royal
blue.
blue.
कि कौन सा blue पसंद है? If you give me all your whatever, you like it, you don't like it, if you're allergic to a smell, because this is a part of my questionnaire that I always ask my couples, are y'all allergic to a smell? Is there a flower y'all don't like? Is there a flower that y'all absolutely have as a part of your story? Or something that y'all want to include? It could be a pet, it could be whatever. So ये सारी ब्रीफिंग और ये सारी चीजें मुझे चाहिए भी होती है.
Which
तो मैं
makes
उसको
sense.
इंटरफेरेंस नहीं बोलूंगी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि every couple or every parent has a right to get the wedding of their dreams, especially because they have always yearned and envisioned that. तो मुझे इंटरफेरेंस नहीं लगता. मुझे ऐसा लगता है इट्स ऑलवेज गुड. बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं जो छोड़ ही देते हैं कि भाई सुरभि हम समझ में आ गया, आप वो भी मुझे चलता है, एंड ये ओवर इन्फॉर्म करना भी मुझे चलता है. सो आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद बोथ फ्रैंकली, because as a designer you need to be open and okay with both regardless.
You guys have done hundreds and thousands of weddings abroad as well, right? For sure.
No, not possible.
But a lot many
Yeah,
guys, right?
yeah.
So when you specifically because you handle the operation, so when you have to onboard vendors, so what is in your mind, or what's going to be the checklist if somebody else has to go abroad where they don't know anybody else and they have to onboard the vendors one by one? So what you take care of, how you do that?
So basically, there are 2-3 steps we undertake. Since we have a lot of friends in the industry, people from Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, in Hyderabad as well, who have also done destination weddings, and we have a very good relationships with. We reach out to them and we ask them, if you have worked here in the past, and what are the vendors that you have worked with previously. So at times they share, हमने इससे कराया था, इसने डेकोर किया था, इसने टेक्निकल किया था, ये लॉजिस्टिक किया था. So we start our vetting process. Usually what we do is we always make sure that when we are doing a recce, the recce is for a couple of days, between 3 to 5 days, wherein we are trying to understand the market. We go around. The hotel that we have finalized usually helps us, gives us or points us to the right direction कि आप इनसे बात कर सकते हो. These are our empaneled vendors. ये सब कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे काम. And then we start with our vetting process. So a lot of scrutiny happens, a lot of recce's happen. It's not like
Ultimately it's where your heart really says कि हाँ भाई
yeah,
ये कर
Right on this.
ये कर दे.
So as per you, which destinations are rising and which destinations are fading now?
हमें एक टाइम तक ऐसा लग रहा था कि अब थाईलैंड का बहुत हो गया. वी हैव सीन इनफ एंड मोर पीपल डू थाईलैंड, बट थाईलैंड इज, आई डोंट थिंक इट विल एवर डाई, बिकॉज थाईलैंड हैज सो मेनी डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स टू a destination. आपको बीच चाहिए बीच है, आपको हिल चाहिए हिल है, so on and so forth, right?
Yeah.
GCC countries are always a plus, provided you are very sensitive about the religion and all of that. Otherwise it's a beautiful
so
place
of
to
late GCC
really,
countries have been very proactive. They want
yeah.
Incentivize also to do
Exactly.
So the
So the
ministry-
government, the ministry is so supportive कि वो आपको बहुत सारे perks देती है. More than that, as planners, it is very easy to work around a GCC country, right?
Okay.
Italy, obviously, thanks to a lot of weddings that, the star weddings that have happened there, Italy has also opened up. Parts of Europe like Cyprus and all of that have also opened up. Jordan is a very big taker
Market,
now, they also want to do and invest in bigger Indian weddings, because they all understand, for us, how, especially Indians, weddings are the biggest occasions of our life, and they want to be a part of that. So more or less every country today is open to the idea of,
and it's a major part of
weddings.
tourism also for them.
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
So we as a planner and a designer both, right? So doing a wedding in Thailand, Bahrain and India, what's the difference?
Actually, अच्छे खासे differences है. इंडिया इज अ वेल नोन, आपको पता है, आप यहीं पैदा हुए हो, यही आपका ये वेल नोन प्ले ग्राउंड है. ये प्ले ग्राउंड आपने खेला है 10 बार, राइट? थाईलैंड आप शायद इतनी बार नहीं, और बहरीन शायद इतनी बार नहीं, या विचएवर, मालदीव शायद इतनी बार नहीं, बट एक बार एक एस्टेब्लिश्ड एरिया हो जाता है, then it all feels very familiar. Then it does not feel any different. Second thing, language. Language is something that आपसे मैं अभी हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं शायद कन्नड़ा बात करती, कहीं और मराठी बात करती, so it is all understood. It is all within that framework. वहाँ पे बहुत बार ऐसे होते हैं जिनको शायद भाषा नहीं समझ आती, इंग्लिश तक नहीं. हाँ, so then it's all the actions that do the job. कि this has to go here, like that, you know. So actions also come into play, but these days people are again, it's become very easy thanks to all the channels that we have. Third thing, the support that comes from the government in these cases also, जो अपने शायद इंडिया में नहीं है अभी तक. Government incentives, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं, and the support that they give you is beautiful. That wants for, कि आप चाहते हो कि और करो. For example, Bahrain today, मैं अभी भी उसको बना के रखी हूँ कि यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट 10 शादियाँ करनी है, because it is a very people's friendly, a very wedding planners friendly place. They obviously go by rules.
Yeah, they're very compliance heavy. Yeah?
Any
This is
foreign
country-
any foreign country for that matter. Thailand में तो आप फिर भी घुमा लोगे. हाँ, एंड शायद एशियन कंट्रीज, मोर देन थाईलैंड, आप एशियन कंट्रीज में फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत घुमा सकते हो. नॉट इन एनी, बिकॉज वो लोग का एक सब कुछ एक फॉर्मेट ड्रिवन है. इंडिया में तो आपको पता ही है सब कुछ जुगाड़ इनोवेशन इज द न्यू इनोवेशन हियर, राइट. सब कुछ जुगाड़ पे चलता है. एंड एज प्लानर्स हम लोग हमेशा प्लान बी पे पहले काम करते हैं, ना कि प्लान ए. प्लान ए तो आपके पास है ही, आपका पूरा एक्सेल ही आपका प्लान ए है. बट प्लान बी इज समथिंग दैट वी वर्क स्पेशली इन अनदर फॉरेन कंट्री, because we don't know.
Health and safety is a very
Yeah.
big factor.
Yeah.
Very, very big factor.
So as per you guys, 2026, which destination is gonna boom?
Vietnam is coming up big
Yeah,
time.
Vietnam is
Vietnam is Thailand, of course, as she mentioned.
is never ending, never
Bahrain, है,
dying.
Oman है.
का है, ओमान है. ओमान में हमने मस्कट में एक शादी की थी. एंड अगेन वहाँ पे भी काफी कुछ, मतलब एवरी डेस्टिनेशन गिव्स यू योर बिट ऑफ लर्निंग. वहाँ पे 4 घंटे के ऊपर खाना रखते नहीं है, भले आपने छुआ भी नहीं होगा उस खाने को.
Oh, okay.
बिकॉज वहाँ पे लाइक ही जस्ट मेंशन्ड, हेल्थ एंड
Health and
सेफ्टी
safety.
इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि 4 घंटे से ज्यादा वो पूरा का पूरा खाना आपके सामने गिर जाएगा. वो लोग वापस नया बनाएंगे इवन इफ यू हैवंट, बट वो 4 घंटे के ऊपर आपको सर्व नहीं करेंगे.
And there are a lot of things
तो
also.
ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें आप जब ट्रैवल करते हो, आप सीखते हो, यू ओनली बिकम बेटर, एंड देन यू वांट टू इम्प्लाई दैट टू योर डिजाइन सेंस एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट. सो
And now it's divided into subcategories. People want to spend less, but want to have still a very good experience. They might end up choosing going to a Sri Lanka or a Vietnam. These are comparatively cheaper, easier to access. There are transit routes which will take them from,
I think the major factor that is also played when it comes to deciding on a destination and कौन सा destination.
connectivity कैसी है.
सबसे पहला चीज जो वो बोलेगा कि इंडिया से या wherever from they are, इधर से डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट या कितना लंबा डिस्टेंस है. Because nobody wants to travel for hours together
Yeah.
to get to a point all exhausted, and then जाते ही आपका एक मेहंदी होगा या कुछ होगा, आप enjoy नहीं कर पाओगे. So people also want to keep that into consideration before they choose a destination. कि what is the duration, if there is a direct flight to that place or not, how conversable it is for anybody. जैसे अगर मेरा connecting flight दूसरे ही airport से है, जाना पड़े मुझे कहीं और by road and all that, it is too much of a hassle for a wedding guest.
So usually client comes with the multiple destination as options, or you guys help them?
It is both. It is both.
Yeah,
It is
it's a
both.
two-way
Yeah.
street.
It is a two-way.
What happens?
It is, see, sometimes the client obviously has their preassumptions कि इनको ये
Yeah.
पसंद आ रहे हैं.
Sometimes it's vague.
Yeah.
जैसे हमको बीच डेस्टिनेशन करना है. So
अब बीच में तो
destination
बहुत
कहाँ
कुछ हो
करना है आपको?
सकता है.
आपको
हाँ.
थाईलैंड जाना है, आपको श्रीलंका में करना
आप
है.
वियतनाम कर सकते हो, फुकॉक में कर सकते हो, whatever, right?
बहुत सारी
तो
जगह.
आपको ऑप्शंस देने हैं, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स देने हैं कि अगर आपको फॉर एग्जांपल XYZ में जाना है, यहाँ से डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट है, बट ABC में जाना है तो डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट नहीं है, बट देयर इज अ कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट इमीडिएटली विद दैट 1 hour layover. So sensitizing the client about everything to reach from a point A to point Z is very very important. क्योंकि वो लास्ट मिनट सरप्राइजेस किसी को पसंद नहीं आएंगे. इवन व्हेन यू गो फॉर अ रेकी विद द फैमिली, you want to make the client aware कि सर ये ऐसा हो सकता है, and ये डिले हो सकता है या ये ऐसा हो सकता है, so that then when they take a call, it's a calculated call. फिर वो आना नहीं चाहिए कि भाई
Yeah,
हमें
and
तो पता
also
नहीं था.
the infrastructure of the hotel, the property. If they say I have 600 guests, but if the hotel they like has only 200 rooms, it's pointless. It's pointless even suggesting such a property to them. So lot of factors, lot of moving pieces are involved actually to to even decide where to go.
So, as per you both, right? So, luxury wedding is driven by budget, storytelling, emotion, or taste.
Oh, wow. Emotions first, always. If you're not emotional about what you want and what you are getting out of your wedding, then वो ऐड ही नहीं होगा. इमोशन आएगा, स्टोरी टेलिंग आएगा, फिर आपके बाकी टेस्ट,
Taste
देन
and
द
budget
बजट
आएगा.
आएगा. बिकॉज लग्जरी वेडिंग इज नॉट अबाउट द मनी विच पीपल ऑलवेज थिंक कि इसमें बहुत ज्यादा पैसा जाता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. पैसा तो खैर हर ही चीज में जाएगा, राइट? बट जब तक वो इमोशन एंड स्टोरी टेलिंग इन टैंडम नहीं है, because behind that luxury wedding is a full detailed oriented planning, आपका पूरा sleepless nights, I don't know, months and months of bookkeeping and making that list into and making sure every vendor, everything is to the point, making sure all your stationery, your collaterals, your everything, RSVPs and everything. So ये it's not a day process. So getting to a luxury wedding has never been a day thing. It is जो लोगों को दिखता नहीं है वो है back end.
And you know the biggest
एंड हम लोग रात
misconception.
रात भर जागते हैं एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस में वो स्प्रे पेंट लगता हुआ देख के. कभी कभी समटाइम्स इट इज दैट ड्रीम एंड दैट इमोशन दैट ड्राइव्स अस. इट इज नॉट द मनी. Money is the ultimate thing. We all know that.
That's why I always keep telling my clients is very that event management is a very underrated and unrecognized industry because everybody
And it's
just see the
thankless,
3
I
hours of
feel.
job,
Highly
but
stressful.
not behind the scenes.
It's
And you know there's a
It's a
misconception.
thankless job as
it's a
well.
thankless, yeah.
Yes.
It is a misconception कि अगर आप luxury wedding कर रहे हो तो it's going to be over the top.
Yeah.
It's generally not. Usually it's not over the top. It's very tastefully done. You know, it is about sourcing the right thing, the right people doing it, and bringing it to execution, making it larger than life. That is what it is all about. It's not about अरे ये करना है, इसको भी लेके आ जाओ, उसको भी लेके आ जाओ. आप
Just recently we met a couple. They both loved pets, and it's a very cute story where they wanted any animal to be included in any form of design that I had to make. And the planner is a great friend, okay? वो हमेशा मुझे बोलता सुरभि ये कुत्ते बिल्लियों को तो मत डालना किसी डिजाइन में. और मुझे इतनी हंसी आती थी बिकॉज कहीं तो एक वो भी सपना था कपल का वर्सेस अब मेरे प्लानर भी एज अ डिजाइनर मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि प्लीज कुत्ते बिल्ली तो मत डाल. तो समवेयर टू ब्रिज दैट गैप इज ऑल्सो फन थिंग टू डू. Realizing
Challenging as well, right?
it's not challenging to begin with if you understand where both of them are coming from,
Okay. Yeah.
right? बट मेरे लिए सबसे पहले वो ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम का सपना इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट? उनका ड्रीम था कि उनके कुत्ते जो थे वो उनका वॉक करे एंड सो ऑन एंड सो
open up
फोर्थ.
the hill.
Having that in my design sense, they come from Vrindavan, so making sure Vrindavan is out there for people to see. उनको एक भी ऐसा एक बार भी, इनफैक्ट when the वृंदावन का जो सेटअप हुआ उसके बाद I still remember the groom walks up to me and he's like, we all felt that we were in Vrindavan. हमें एक मिनट भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि we were not there and we were in Jaipur or some other place. You got Vrindavan right here. That is all this job is all about.
Yes.
When somebody
Making it aspirational.
yeah, when somebody walks up to you in middle of all your hustle just to tell you, you know what, it was all worth it. It is all so beautiful. It is all that they have ever wished for or dreamt for or whatever. एक line बस काफी होता है कभी कभी. And this is what I think I personally live for and live by. कि बस किसी को आप मुस्कुरा दो, किसी को दे दो और किसी के लिए आप काम कर रहे हो and then that is getting you happiness.
And they will remember you for the rest of their life.
100%. Imagine.
So to circle
were-
back to
we
you,
were-
It is also when they'll look back at their
अरे वो पिक्चर्स ही आपको दिखा देंगे कि यार
so
सबसे
to circle
इम्पोर्टेंट
back
ये
to
हमारा
what you
इन्होंने
said,
कराया.
you asked at the initial conversation, what is your 5-year plans?
Yeah.
We don't have a 5-year plan. For us, it is this. We live for this.
Yeah.
This is the moment. And this is what brings us joy. This is our bread and butter. So I'm not putting a cap to it. We are passion driven and this is what it is.
So I think for you guys, your second home, I can call it as JW Goldshire, Fairford, like these properties, right? And just naming that.
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
So name is not the concern here. So what these type of venues actually influence your design and how they influence your design?
See, frankly, okay, because you named Goldshire comes, there's a water body there and there are beautiful grasslands and there's a golf course right behind it and things and so on and so forth. Udaipur Palace, for example, is obviously very palatial.
More
All of
opulent.
that, more ज़्यादा दूर भी मत जाओ आप, एक लीला पैलेस ही देख लो. If I were to look at just a palatial structure, right? What I can bring here are plethora of options which don't really demand that sort of an artsy thing, because here I will have to create everything from scratch.
See, Golfshire is a
मुझे अगर
canvas.
फॉर एग्जांपल वो जो उधर वहाँ डोम है, मुझे अगर एक राजस्थानी डोम बनाना है फॉर अ राजस्थानी थीम और व्हाटएवर, आई विल हैव टू गेट दैट टू दैट प्लेस. In an Udaipur palace or in a place which already has that art and
You're
demeanor,
only accentuating.
I will only have to accentuate a little bit and make that into my prop element. ऐसा नहीं है कि दोनों में possible नहीं है, possible दोनों जगह ही है. It is about how to put it aesthetically right without taking away from what that place originally is. I do not want to take away from what JW Marriott Golfshire really is. It is beautiful. It is what it is, and it is the people. It is all of it that makes it that beautiful, right? And so is the Udaipur. The places that we worked for.
Architecture and people.
हमें वो architecture, interiors, upholstery, हर एक चीज को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हमेशा डिजाइन करना चाहिए, without taking away the basic things that place really is. कभी कभी हम बोलते हैं ना, अरे वाह, ये तो तुमने जगह ही चेंज करके रख दी. जगह चेंज करके रख दी with that place into accordance.
Nice. So there is a word, right, which is very important, and nowadays it's becoming a very common word in all the businesses, which is storytelling, right? Which everybody uses, that a normal one and the luxury ones,
Yeah.
premium and luxury, or a normal event signer also use the word as storytelling. As per you both, what is storytelling, and how you make sure that storytellings actually come into the reality?
I think storytelling is, like I even mentioned earlier, it's one of those most important things for us to connect, firstly, for us to be able to vibe with this entire concept, to be able to draw up things that could be, cannot be, and all of that. जब तक वो connect नहीं बैठेगा, तब तक वो बोलते हैं ना, जब तक वो ताल नहीं बैठती तब तक वो आगे गाना नहीं बनता.
क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि अगर एक नॉर्मल, एक मेरा कोई भी कस्टमर है अगर जिनकी वेडिंग होने वाली है, और उनको अगर एक स्टोरी टेलिंग, क्योंकि उन्होंने सुना कि यार आजकल ना लग्जरी वेडिंग्स में सब स्टोरी टेलिंग करता है, तो वो आउटकम उनको कैसे चलेगा कि यही स्टोरी टेलिंग है, और दूसरी चीज जो कोई और उसको बेच रहा है शायद वो स्टोरी टेलिंग ना हो.
बट स्टोरी टेलिंग तो
So-
वो क्लाइंट से होगी ना.
So storytelling
आप
is.
उसको विजुअल्स में लाते हो, राइट?
Mhm.
वो आप कैसे लाते हो? बिकॉज आई कैन ऑल्सो पिच विवेक कि आई डू स्टोरी टेलिंग वेडिंग्स एंड दिस इज आई एम गोना डू इट, but the way you bring it into the reality is the
A
main.
lot of mood boarding. So we do a lot of mock-ups, lot of mood boards. Now what happens is we get clients of various kinds. There are arranged marriages. There's a love marriage. If it's a love marriage, it's very easy. Because everybody has a story.
Yeah.
They say, यार मेरे को ऐसा करना था, मैं बचपन में ऐसे करती थी.
We proposed here, for example, we got a couple जिन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट के बेस कैंप पे
हाँ.
इन्होंने प्रपोज किया था. So we got that into
Yeah.
life.
So that's
जिन्होंने
easy.
संगीत.
That's easy.
We already had a story.
But for arranged marriages, it's different. The dynamics are different. उनकी सगाई होगी 3 महीने पहले और अभी शादी आ गई है, तो 3 महीने में क्या स्टोरी टेलिंग करेंगे? सो तब हम जाते हैं एस्पिरेशनल पे. आपको क्या पसंद है? So a lot of influence culturally
A lot
in
of coffees and
Bollywood.
chais go into
Yeah.
you know,
Bollywood.
Because the thing is, there may be some couple who may not be outspoken much, right?
It takes.
No matter they have done, they are going to do a love marriage, but still they are not so expressive.
yes.
So it takes a lot of effort, I think, from
Yeah, yeah.
it's very
बात-
to understand कि
आपको दोस्त बनना जरूरी होता है उस समय पर, बिकॉज जब तक वो कंफर्ट नहीं लगता किसी को भी, आज मुझे भी, अगर इफ आई वर टू टॉक टू एनीबडी आई डोंट नो, जब तक वो 10-12 बार बातें नहीं हो जाएगी तब तक आप खुलोगे नहीं. एंड ये होता है.
So, I'll give you an example. Okay, we were
And the
doing.
minute you draw up a questionnaire, जैसे एक फॉर्मल, सॉरी बट आप जैसे फॉर्मली एक क्वेश्चनर ड्रॉ अप करोगे, उसको तो ऐसा लगेगा कि आप खाली काम करने आए हो.
Correct.
And that is not what we are for. The
So-
three of us and my entire crew, we believe in that interpersonal thing for the couple.
Culture. First have coffee and then talk about you.
It is very important. आप जब तक
So I'll
नहीं
give you an
चाहो-
example. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. We were doing a wedding for an industrialist's daughter, and he barely had time because he had many businesses to take care of, right? So we were finding it very difficult to break ice. And he's like, I'm paying you. So we get on the job, do it.
Yeah.
And somewhere Surbi had to say, yes, you are paying, but then this is a fairy tale for you, right? You have your daughter's getting married. So you have certain aspirations. tell us what you want. Take some time off, half an hour. And he's like, you know what? Yes, you're right. I need to be very forthcoming with you and then tell you what exactly is it I want from you. My ideas, which I have, and he himself said it that I had buried these things way before. वो बोलते हैं कि जब मेरी बच्ची छोटी थी तब मैंने सोचा था कि मैं अपनी बेटी की शादी ऐसे कराऊंगा. अभी उस बात को हो गया 20 साल. मेरे को तो याद भी नहीं है, मेरे को अभी याद आ रहा है. सो ऐसे ऐसी चीजें निकलती हैं जब आप बात करते हो.
एंड फिर वो किसी दिन घर पे बुलाएंगे, चल बेटा आजा खाना खाने, एंड फिर वो खाना खाने पे बात होती है.
2 AM conversations.
तो ये सब बहुत जरूरी है टू गेट टू वेयर यू वांट टू, प्रोवाइडेड यू हैव द टाइम. ऑब्वियसली ये सारी चीज टाइम ड्रिवन थिंग है. इफ यू नो दैट वेडिंग इज हैपनिंग इन 3 months, यू नो यू नीड टू एम्प अप एंड स्पीड अप. तो उस समय पे शायद प्रोसेस ज्यादा फास्ट हो जाता है. अगेन द स्टोरी टेलिंग स्टिल रिमेन्स बिकॉज वो जरूरी है कनेक्ट करना. बहुत सारे लोग शायद आजकल स्टोरी टेलिंग नहीं भी जाते हैं. पीपल जस्ट गो फॉर कॉन्सेप्ट समटाइम्स because there isn't any and then they cannot really connect to they like that larger than life जो करण जौहर दिखाते हैं. So they like all of that. So they are very clear about what they want also sometimes.
अभी हम एक शादी कर रहे हैं.
And they tell upfront.
हाँ, डियोर का थीम. अभी एक ब्राइड थी जिसको डियोर के ब्रांड से बहुत प्यार था. I want a डियोर थीम. There out you go. पूरा डियोर का पूरा हर चीज. एनिमल्स पे डियोर का प्रिंट, हर एक चीज पे डियोर. ये काफी थीम बहुत प्रेवलेंट भी हुई थी अभी रिसेंट डेज में. तो ऐसे ही बहुत सारी थीम्स बन जाती है.
अभी हम कर रहे हैं फेब 14-15 को शादी है. द ब्राइड्स फैमिली इज फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु, द ब्राइड्स फैमिली इज फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश एंड द ग्रूम्स फैमिली इज फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु एंड दे वांट टू गिव द थीम फोक्स ऑफ इंडिया. सो वी आर गेटिंग फोक as an inspiration for all our
Literally everything.
Mehndi is a
There are
different folk.
Chenpatna toys too. There are Chettinar floors. There are all of that. So all
Yeah.
those smaller details have been taken into consideration because if that client really loves the very root of India, then it is our job to get it to you. That is what we are doing.
You have to be very keen listener. That is also one.
Oh, yeah,
100%.
Right?
And you have to travel to know. And I really would, as attribute a lot of whatever I am doing today to traveling, because when you travel, you widen your
Correct.
It
horizon.
opens your mind.
Yeah. So he would always tell me to ja,
You
देख के आ,
experience
घूम के आ, and that is how it all
some
began.
of this experience you can use somewhere else as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice. So, what's the biggest misconception for a luxury wedding which people think?
कि पैसा बहुत लगेगा. इसमें तो yes. लग्जरी मतलब सबको ऐसा लगता है कि oh my God, we need to have
25 करोड़ की शादी है.
मतलब 1000 करोड़, 100 करोड़, 25 करोड़, मतलब कहीं नहीं गए. But it is a misconception, I feel. It is not about the money always.
So, as per you, to get the feeling of the luxury wedding, what gonna be the bracket range?
Money wise?
Yeah.
Money wise तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. 1000 करोड़ की भी हो सकती है.
भी हो सकता है.
But that is not what makes it a
Money
luxury
is not
wedding.
everything. That's what you're saying.
Money is your ultimate thing. आप जिसके लिए you're working
towards.
sweat and blood,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That is your ultimate thing. But that is not what defines a luxury wedding for me personally. For me, it is about those details, those emotions, those endless plannings, and whatever goes
Creating a
behind.
differentiating factor.
Yeah, and creating what has not been done before. Doing things that maybe defines that couple and that family into a picturesque form, into whatever, जो दिल से चाहते हैं, aspirational जैसे आपने यूज कहा था. So I think that is more luxury for me than really defining it by अरे ये तो 1000 करोड़ की है तो ये luxury है. नहीं.
We don't label वो 2 करोड़ का है.
एक
हाँ, हालांकि
sustainable
वो
wedding
budgets
भी
आते हैं.
luxury wedding हो सकती है, right?
Yes.
And sustainable wedding में तो अपन ज्यादा कुछ डालते भी नहीं है. We only use what is organically available. for us.
Recyclable.
Yeah. In fact, that is more luxurious than having the biggest tamjam, because वो चीजें source करना सबसे ज्यादा difficult होता है.
And nowadays, is there a demand for the sustainable
Yes,
weddings?
yes.
It is.
See,
coming up.
the closest wedding to our hearts hasn't been a luxurious wedding. Hasn't been. We don't label it as a big budgeted luxury wedding.
Yeah.
But for our hearts,
That's the
it's-
best wedding we've
it's
done.
the best wedding that we have done, and that was a gay wedding that we did. And it still is the closest to our heart, and that still is that parameter that
Yeah.
we want to break the norms and we want to do things that people haven't done before. That when we signed up for this, gay weddings were not even a thing in India. LGBTQAI hadn't even taken the prevalence in India. अभी तक खाली बातें चल रही थी, section चल रहा था. And when this couple approached us, You have no idea. We both
Jumped.
we just didn't know how to express it.
Jumped.
And I didn't know how to address. In fact, starting में trouble होती है ना कि आपको नहीं पता कि husband wife बोलना है क्या करना है. We became family, and today we still are. They are very happily married in Canada.
They were
Have a baby
shying.
together, and it's this is when you feel कि आपने बहुत कुछ अच्छा किया है. It's when these couples come back to you and tell you that you were a part of their biggest day, and this is why it is there today, and so on and so forth. And this is what we live for.
See, that wedding was a luxury for them.
Yes. मेरे लिए भी
Who would
मतलब
have
दिल
thought?
में
In India,
दिल में मैंने
you actually
कभी
end up
नहीं
getting
सोचा
married.
था. Yeah.
That's luxury to them. So I don't want to label it. There's no label to it actually.
Yeah.
Money can get you somewhere, but it's all about the feeling inside. How you bring that into life is what is.
That euphoria I've never felt before. वो जब वो शादी हो रही थी, I remember, I mean, I still cry every time a bride is crying, but that wedding actually got me tears because there was no bride, there was no groom, there was just two partners wanting to, it was the true sense of love for me. And उस समय जब वो पंडित जी पूछे ना कि कन्यादान कौन करेगा, I said दोनों ही कन्यादान करेंगे, दोनों ही फेरे लेंगे, दोनों ही सब कुछ करेंगे.
You took that call.
Yes.
Yeah. And our vendors
And
are
it
also
was like that, and we had to sensitize everybody, right, from a caterer to a photographer to everybody, that this is not the wedding that you would normally see. And
don't be judgmental.
Yes.
yeah, and our vendors were so beautiful, so supportive. They're like, दीदी कुछ भी होगा हम करेंगे, you just go.
तो वो पंडित आज भी फोन करता है, बोलता है ऐसी शादी कब लेके आओगे, नेक्स्ट कब करना है
And it's
बताओ.
amazing, जो पंडित जी ने कभी किया ही नहीं था, लेकिन वो उस दिन के बाद मुझे बोलने लग गए कि हमारे तो शास्त्रों में लिखा है, कि ये शादियां होती है, एंड ऐसे हुए हुए हैं हमारे देवी देवता. तो आपने तो उसको लाया है, तो ऐसी शादियां प्लीज हमारे लिए और लेके आइए. So it's amazing how this awareness has been built through whatever.
Mythology supports it. The Lord Ayappa is a confluence of Vishnu and Shiva.
And ऐसे खैर बहुत सारी stories है. So coming to the point of what luxury is, सबके लिए luxury अलग है. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि 1000 करोड़ या 200 करोड़ या whatever luxury नहीं होती है, 100% होती है. But what gets to that is a relentless, endless stream of things that go to it.
So as a designer, I just wanted to know one thing, that what you think that what design can actually break that luxury wala feeling?
What design?
Design something when you create a design, sometimes not you.
I know what
the
you're saying.
person also is designing something.
I think it's the smaller details. It's the smaller elements.
which they misdesigning.
which they
when it comes to
misdesigning.
execution.
For example, आपके tables, आपके consoles जो पहले आंखों में दिखते हैं, आज ये table एक तरह से रखा हुआ है, right? It's how you do your flowers. It's how you put your heart into those smaller details. जैसे अगर मैं अभी ये South Indian शादी की जो बात कर रहे थे, there is one couple from Hyderabad, like the bride is from Hyderabad, the groom is from Tamil Nadu, but they are based in Bangalore. So we are having a confluence of Karnataka, Hyderabad, like Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad, and Karnataka, right? So getting Chenpatna into perspective, getting Chettinad tiles into perspective, getting the Chokobara into, the Chokabara that they played, ancient games. Getting all of that into your design sense is very important because that is how people connect. पहले ज़माने में और कुछ नहीं खेलते थे हम लोग, वो tamarind seeds के साथ, in the villages they would play. आपके वो जो कौड़ियाँ होती थी जो नॉर्थ में हम कौड़ियों पे खेलते थे, वो सारी चीजें. It's the smaller details that people often miss, which should always be a part of the design. जैसे ये वाला जो हमने आपको बताया था माउंट एवरेस्ट का इन्होंने जो किया था, on every table we had kept a moonstone. Every table had that. Every table had that little, reflective sort of element जो उनको लगे कि वो लोग वहीं हैं. आपको अगर ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है, हम कैसे जब पिक्चर देखने जाते हैं तो we immediately get transported to that destination where the couple are dancing, right? I believe that it is absolutely important for all of us to get transported to where the couple intends to take us to. Be it the Mount Everest, be it all the destinations, be it wherever in this world, through design. And design is the only thing that can do that for you.
And Prakha also is known for smooth execution, right? So definitely without processes, smooth execution is not possible at all.
Yeah.
So what are processes you guys have set it up so that if you might not be there at that particular time, but still everything is running very
it's
smoothly?
mostly empowering our staff So the way we've trained them, the way even they think is when we delegate a task to them. But first of all, the communication is very clear. Everybody knows what is the expectations out of them, right? So we empower them to take independent decisions. Now, weddings, everything's dynamic. हम कितना भी प्लान कर लें, जो सिचुएशन पे बात आती है वो बहुत डायनेमिक है. बारात को हम 5:30 स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट बारात स्टार्ट होती है 7 बजे. हमने लाइटिंग प्लान नहीं करी हुई है, क्योंकि सबको लगा यार 5:30 का तो बारात है, आधा घंटे की बारात है, वो 6 बजे मंडप में बैठ जाएगा. मंडप अभी देखते हैं कि बारात का इतना बड़ा सा पाथवे है, वो 1 किलोमीटर का, वो डांस करके आएगा, वो उसको करना है बारात, वो 1.5 घंटा करेगा. हाउ डू यू प्लान? सो यू प्रीएम्प्ट इट. माई स्टाफ इज एम्पावर्ड टू टेक अ कॉल. सर, मेरे को लगता है कि यहाँ पे इनकी बारात लेट होने वाली है, हम यहाँ पे लाइटिंग लगाएंगे.
And they are very
You preempt it.
equipped, very
It's
equipped
always preempted.
and decision making उनमें already है. And we as a team,
तो एक नॉर्मल वेडिंग और एक लग्जरी वेडिंग्स में, बेसिकली लग्जरी वेडिंग्स में ऐसे कौन कौन से आपने ट्रेड्स देखे हैं जो गलत हो जाते हैं, which went wrong?
when you miss on those finer details,
To me, it's a
When
different
you-
answer. I'll answer different.
when you don't मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप right from the very beginning, अगर आपका guest experience, अगर आप guest को बहुत rush रखते हो, you don't give them the space to breathe sometimes, बस तुरंत आए, change किया, ये किया, वो किया, आपका पहला तो वहीं खत्म हो गया. When you're not there available at that guest's beck and call कि मुझे पानी चाहिए या खाना चाहिए, whatever, before they even ask sometimes, understanding the weather would demand something, the climate would demand something, making sure you are already keeping that into consideration in your decor, in your ways of being. आपको पता है बारिश आ सकती है, you have your umbrellas ready, आपको पता है धूप हो सकती है, you have your छाव ready, so on and so forth. Those smaller details. आप रूम में जाओ, अगर एक क्लाइंट रूम में जाता है, he sees an ice pack or whatever, if he is not feeling well, आप पहले से ही करके रख रहे हो उनके लिए. ये छोटी सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको, बिकॉज वो क्लाइंट बड़ी बड़ी चीजें शायद याद भी नहीं रखेगा
Small things matter.
कि अरे वाह सेटअप बड़ा अच्छा था,
बस
खाना बड़ा अच्छा था, पर किसी ने आपका ख्याल रखा, किसी ने आपके बारे में, अगर इफ यू आर डायबिटिक, हमें पहले ही पता चल जाता है ड्यूरिंग आवर RSVP एंड ऑल दैट, बिकॉज वी आस्क दीज क्वेश्चंस. अगर आप हो, our team will make sure that those things are there.
Allergy.
There's a reminder set
intolerance.
for you. There is somebody already there for you to make sure you're taking your medicines or whatever.
these
आपको-
things actually matters.
100%.
Also, I'll add to this point. The day your client asks for an update and you don't have an answer, you have failed in your planning. It's as simple as that. For that process to happen, they have to be as descriptive as you have, and you have to be as informed.
True.
Okay? If they're asking for an update, उन्होंने बोला है, and अगर आपके पास उसका update नहीं है, आपकी planning fail है उस दिन.
So Vivek bhai, exceptional planner and a good planner में क्या difference हो सकता है?
जो बताया मैंने अभी, वही
I think timeliness also.
timeliness, yeah.
आपको क्लाइंट ने एक मैसेज दिया है 11:50 को, you could be very busy and I'm not discounting that, but let the client know that you will revert. कभी-कभी and you don't intend to be rude, right? But कभी-कभी क्लाइंट को ये लगता है कि यार this person is already so busy, मेरा शादी क्या करेगी?
Yes.
If that person does not have the time to respond to my one message, I'm not saying you come up with a solution ASAP. You could be in the middle of 100 things already, but sensitize the client that, you know what, I'm at a wedding. The minute I find some time, I will respond to you. This way the client is shant.
Yes.
And give them an ETA. आप 5 बजे तक वापस आ जाओ. तो at
And make
least
sure you
आपको
come
पता है कि 4:50 हो रहा है, तो you have to respond. So you will make time for it.
And that's something that I have learned from her, because she is very particular about it.
Yeah. And
Initially,
there's something I tell everybody. If the client is messaging you, you could be in a middle of a traffic also. It will hardly take you. आजकल तो AI या कुछ भी आपको खाली मैसेज बोलना होता है, आपको तो टाइप भी नहीं करना होता.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I will get back to you. I'm just driving. The client knows that you've heard.
you'll get back.
You'll get back. That is what will differentiate you from being an average planner to being the planner that you want to be, is being client fronting, being vendor fronting, and at the same time having your base and your principles and whatever in place.
And you should don't be afraid to try. Try.
Yeah.
If you fail, you fail. You learn from it. Every lesson has, there's something important for you to learn. Even we failed.
हम लोग ने आपको जैसे स्टार्टिंग में कहा था that it's the failures that have taught us and not the successes. And it's the case with everybody. हम सब गिरे हैं, हम सब में teething troubles आई हैं, सब ने देखा है, and फिर उसके बाद हमने सोचा कि ठीक है ये हम अच्छा करेंगे.
कभी ऐसा मोमेंट आया था कि थॉट कि यार क्यों शुरू कर दिया?
मेरे तो नहीं,
मेरा हुआ है.
मेरे
जो
कभी
जो पहले शादी हमने इकट्ठा साथ में की थी, that was a very big budget उस टाइम के लिए. I'm talking about 2014. एंड मेरे दिमाग में ये ऐसा ख्वाबों का महल मैंने खड़ा कर दिया था कि सारी शादी ऐसी ही होनी वाली हैं. ठीक है. फिर केम द फॉल फ्रॉम ग्रेस. ऐसे नहीं होती. तो जो पहली शादी हमने करी, तकरीबन 6-7 महीने तक हमको कुछ एक दूसरा लीड आया ही नहीं, बिकॉज नोबडी वांटेड टू बिलीव ऑन अ न्यू नेम. Who are you? Because they vet, they'll ask for references. Nobody wants to believe. And we were very candid. We said we have just begun and we are promising. But it's not like Band Baja Bharat movie में आपने देख लिया कोई इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आके बोलता है या I believe in you, चेक थमा दिया. वैसा नहीं होता है. Real life is different. तो 5-6 महीने जो लगे, and then we were burning cash. And I was like, is this the right decision? And she was like, you know what, this is, and we were young, right? We were fearless. And she's like, kya hoga? We have to, it's a rough weather, we'll wait it out. And we did. For 5-6 months, I was like, what's happening? Because the initial picture that I had is completely different from all of this. So, yeah.
शादियां हुए, कोई ना कोई तो हमको भी ले लेगा. As a couple, if I want to plan my own wedding, like which has to go flawless and timeless, what things I should prioritize and what things I should basically compromise with or should not compromise with? That's the right question.
See, first of all, get the right planner. You have to get the right planner.
And
Okay.
what are the traits which I need to find in a right planner? Because Instagram is full of planners, including us.
See,
right?
he should be a good listener.
Yeah.
He or she should be a good listener. He or she should be able to give you ideas which are very creative, unique.
well connected in the market.
Yeah. Do your due
that-
diligence.
That is very important. एक फोन घुमाने पर अगर कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी वर्ल्ड ओवर आपको जवाब दे सकती है, आपको रिवर्ट कर सकती है, दैट इज व्हाट इज नीडेड, राइट? हैविंग एन एक्सीलेंट, आपको अपने आप ही समझ में आ जाएगा आफ्टर सीइंग हाउ दैट पर्सन इज, हाउ योर प्लानर इज, ऑफ हाउ वेल कनेक्टेड दैट ही और शी इज. ऑलवेज टेक दैट इनटू अकॉर्डेंस, बिकॉज कभी कभी वो बहुत काम करता है.
जैसे आपने एक केस में भी बताया.
हाँ. And how forthcoming is he as a person, he or she as a person, because वो बहुत ज़रूरी है to be a listener, to be anything. That person has to be more forthcoming, right?
Yeah. Apart from the planner, invest in a good photographer, a makeup artist, because they are the ones who are actually making you look good, visually appealing on the camera, and you have to live with it for the rest of your life. So, a good makeup artist, a good photographer, and a good caterer, of course. Catering is 80% of the
Wedding.
wedding. लोग आते हैं खाने के लिए.
Yeah.
लोग आते हैं खाने के लिए, और उनको अगर आप अच्छा खाना खिला दो, सबसे पहले
Especially
तारीफ
for
खा-
Marwadis and North Indians especially, हर चीज़ खाने से शुरू होती है, खाने पे अंत होती है.
Yeah, yeah.
डेकोर और
शादी तो
बाकी
अच्छी थी,
सारी
खाना
चीजें
अच्छा नहीं था यार. खाना ये दाल ठीक से गली
था.
नहीं. हाँ.
ऐसे ही बोलेंगे क्योंकि वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. So yeah.
I understand we discussed, and this is we just coming to the end of the show now. But we already discussed about the skills of the planners. Like for example,
Yeah.
keen listener. You have to probe. You have to ensure that you become
Proactive होना and all of
But
that. Yes.
What is the one of the biggest skill which separates a mid-level planner and a luxury wedding planner, or luxury may not be the right word, but to be a good planner,
Being proactive.
proactive.
Yes. Being proactive, being
Example.
before, जैसे आप preempt कर सकते हो ये अगला सवाल क्या होने वाला है या अगला पड़ाव क्या आने वाला है इस प्लानिंग प्रोसेस में. यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. यू आर ऑलरेडी गिविंग द क्लाइंट इनफ एंड मोर कुशन कि ये है. These are going to be our timelines. This is when we get back to you. Especially if a client is very methodical, very method oriented, very step oriented. Otherwise, you be proactive and give, this is what we can do. This is what we are. आपकी क्या ideas है sir? Coming, making it a two-way street also makes the client more involved. At the same time, it also gives you that upper hand कि you are also putting your, आप अपने सारे cherries डाल रहे हो.
Now, to supplementing to what she said, and this is something that I have noticed, is that you should exactly, and I'll tell you where I'm coming from. nowadays the guests, some of them are not very not good communicators. They have ideas, but they're not able to voice out what they want to say. Okay, and I've seen that in Surbi, that she has this innate ability to grasp. वो कुछ बोल रहा है, and then she is already forming images, and she just flips out her tab and she's like, is this what you're referring to? Is this the kind of style of decor that you're looking for? And it's like, हाँ यही चाहिए सुरभि जी. For all you know, पेस्टल बोल रहा है, बट उसको पेस्टल बोलना नहीं आ रहा है, वो नहीं बोल पा रहा है, उसको नहीं पता है वो वर्ड पेस्टल का, उसको पेस्टल, उसको अंडरस्टेटेड डेकोर चाहिए, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा. अरे हल्के फुल्के कर दो, वो ये कर दो, मतलब वो अपने बेचारे जितना भी वो बोल पा रहा है उससे वो कम्युनिकेट कर रहा है. एंड इट्स अप टू यू टू रियलाइज कि भाई दिस इज व्हाट ही वांट्स.
क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्लाइंट बोलते हैं सिंपल चाहिए इसमें, है ना, थोड़ा
जो बोलता है ना सिंपल चाहिए, वो सिंपल नहीं होता है,
ट्रू.
वो कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाता है बेचारा. क्योंकि सी इट्स नॉट एंड ऑफ द डे, इट्स नॉट ही इज नॉट डूइंग दिस डे नाइट, राइट? वो तो एक ही बार कर रहा है, तो उसको क्या पता क्या होता है पायलट, क्या फ्लेवर होता है, डेकोर कैसे करते हैं, उसको तो सिर्फ बोलने का है. They're not able to communicate sometimes.
On a lighter note, I keep telling my clients like you get married once in a life, and if you're lucky, twice, right? But I get married every day.
Oh yeah.
I lived through those moments. Like I told you, when a bride is finally doing the vidai, और या वो रो रही होती, तो मेरे को तो रोना आता ही है. It's मेरे बच्चे तो अब इतना समझ गए हैं कि मैम आप यहाँ से निकल जाओ, अब आपका रोने का टाइम आ रहा है. So I am like that. I cry when a certain thing is not going as per plan. मेरा first वो होता है ना, जैसे एक बार
Reflex action.
वो एंग्जाइटी निकलने का एक जरिया है कि पहले रो लो, उसके बाद सोचो कि करना क्या है. बिकॉज मे बी आई टेक इट टू इमोशनली, आई टेक इट टू पर्सनली. मेरे लिए जैसे आपने कहा, हर शादी मेरी शादी लगती है कि बस ये ठीक करना है, ये बेस्ट करना है, टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माई कैपेबिलिटीज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वेर एवर वी आर. आई रिमेंबर वी वर प्रेगनेंट एंड वी वर इन फुल टर्म, एंड वी हैड टोल्ड द डॉक्टर दैट हम ये शादी खत्म करके आएंगे, बच्चा विल वेट.
Seriously.
Yeah, that's it.
And it happened. We finished the wedding. We did
29 November we finished the wedding. 1st
so
of December
it is
our
that
son was
for
born.
us. It is what drives us, you know. And I'm not discounting that our kid hasn't or whatever. He's the love of our life, but it's the work that drives. You know, it makes me wake up every morning, do something more different. कुछ देखती हूँ, जैसे कल एक पिक्चर देख रही थी और उसमें कुछ डांस फ्लोर मुझे अच्छा लगा, जिसमें सेंटर में फ्लोरल थे और वो सर्कल था. And in my head, I was already making it into my mood board. कि
So वो कौन सी मूवी थी? आलिया भट्ट एंड रणवीर वाली,
no, no.
कुड़मई,
हाँ, रॉकी रानी.
रॉकी रानी.
Yeah.
So उसने, we were watching the movie in the theater and then she is at the end of the movie, right? And she's already jumping. She's like, wait. I'm like, calm down. We're watching a movie. Relax. And she's like, no, I have to tell you something. And I said, this can wait. The credits are coming. Title credits आ रहे हैं, तो wait कर 2 minutes. And she's like, I found an inspiration for my next मंडप. Okay? तो उस मूवी को रिलीज होके 2-3 साल हो चुके हैं. उस कुड़मई के ही इसने 3-4 वेरिएशंस कर दिए हैं मंडप के.
Yeah.
तो वो ट्री का इंस्पिरेशन लिया है उसने, डेकोर एज अ मंडप, एंड उसके 3-4 हमने अलग अलग कर ही दिए
I
हैं.
remember when we went to watch Padmavat and you know, such movies. मैंने literally अपना notepad निकाला phone में, and I actually noted down the points that I want in my next mood board. It could be those, you know, mantra के लिखे हुए पर्दे. It could be whatever. There are such finer details that to me attribute to a great design. And I think that is what I do. I watch movie for a living. I travel for a living. I create weddings for a living. And I love what I do. So this is what it is in a nutshell. If you don't love it, you don't see yourself then. It's as simple as that.
The last question for the day.
Yeah.
The brutal truth which people will not see in the Instagram, but that happens in the like.
It's the most stressful jobs there is.
Flesh.
It will give you sleepless
Yeah.
nights. There is no easy way to
Flesh
it.
and blood.
And भूल जाओ कि आप खाना भी खाते थे, नहाते भी थे, and all of that. But you still have to be presentable. You still have to keep smiling. You still have to be on top of your everything. Whether आपका back दुख रहा है, पैर दुख रहा है, कहीं टूटा
You
हुआ है,
can't
लगा
eat for
हुआ है.
72 hours. You can't sleep for
मतलब
72 hours.
can't नहीं, लेकिन
can't-
होता ही नहीं है. You know, आप क्या प्रायोरिटाइज करोगे? काम करोगे या पहले खाना सोचोगे? Right?
भूख
So,
नहीं लगती, प्यास तक नहीं लगती.
and जैसे शाहरुख खान कहता है ना, everything else can wait, but my work can't. It is just that. My work will happen regardless, and it should happen.
इसी बात पे एक क्वेश्चन और है कि I have gone through your pages, I have seen your work as well. I can see that इन जो अब मैंने अब शुरुआत में कॉन्वर्जेशन के टाइम पे भी पहले मैंने बोला था कि विल कम बैक टू दिस लिटिल लेटर ऑन, इंडियन ग्रैंडियर वर्सेस नेचर का जो फ्यूजन है, सो व्हाट इज द इंस्पिरेशन बिहाइंड दैट?
सी आई थिंक इंस्पिरेशन तो मुझे वो जगह से ही आ जाती है, फर्स्टली जहाँ पे हम कर रहे हैं. इंडियन ग्रैंडियर में भी देर आर डिफरेंट सबसेक्ट्स टू इट. It could be a Rajasthani royal. It could be,
Delhi Darbar.
Delhi Darbar. It could be the Hyderabad ka, the Cholas and all of that. It could be just anything, right? To each area, आपको कैसे उसको depict करना है, वो भी आता है. Nature obviously plays a very important role, and nature to me, I think, for example, Bangalore. Bangalore में, you know that the climate is always going to be like this. It is going to take any flower, anything that comes into it, right? There is no such. जबकि आपको पता है कि यहाँ बारिश भी कभी भी आ सकती है. And that's the flip side, right? So you have to be prepared in terms of your design, taking that place into consideration, taking the grandeur also into consideration, and taking the climatic conditions also into consideration. So if that is what answers.
Any design which still is in your aspirations and you still want to do it, or still trying to find a good place
She
with
can write a book on it.
I can write yes, like he's
She can write
right.
a book on it.
I have so many in my head, और हर दिन बढ़ते ही रहते हैं उसमें ना, एक एक चीजें ऐड हो रही है. बट एक चीज जरूर थी, एंड एक मैंने बकेट लिस्ट से टिक ऑफ कर दिया था. आई वांटेड टू डू अ फ्लोटिंग मंडप, एंड इस बार थाईलैंड में हमने बकायदा
Oh my God, that's a
बकायदा पानी पे हमने मंडप बनाया था. एंड वो लिटरली ऐसे 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 हो रहा था.
in Phuket. There's this app where you can actually see the high tide from the Met department. The app is from the Met department, and it so happened that we were actually creating that mandap, and when we measured it, okay, during the time 2 days before the actual wedding, when we decided that this is the spot where we were going to do it, it was low tide. Low tide tha, and it was at least I think about 80 feet.
मतलब सब कुछ प्लान हो चुका था एज
80
पर दैट
to the
लो टाइड. हमको लगा कि लो टाइड ही होगा, और
80 feet into the beach.
वो नेचर का कोई भरोसा है नहीं.
हाँ.
ऑन द डे ऑफ द वेडिंग हम रात को पूरा ब्रीफिंग करके गए हैं टीम के साथ कि
तब
यहाँ
तक वो 80 फीट ही दिखा रहा था, तब तक लो टाइड है करके.
था तो एकदम मतलब सामने मंडप,
हाई टाइड हो चुका है.
एंड हमने बोला यार ये तो हमारा प्लान था ही नहीं.
हमने 5 पे बना दिया है. हमने 5 पे बना दिया, हमने रिगिंग कर दी है स्टार्ट, मतलब 5 पे रिगिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. फिर हमारा एक बच्चा है फहाद सुबह 5 बजे उठाता है, मैम 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 करके. हम 2 बजे तो सो के आए हैं, मतलब खत्म करके आए हैं 2 बजे. बोलता है मैम 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 उठो उठो उठो. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ भाई? बोलता है सर हाई टाइड है.
So then we obviously had to change this plan. That was a part of my bucket list, to have a floating mandap. ऐसे तो बहुत सारे हैं. To do it on a desert, I
10
want
minutes
to.
after that, after the guests, just the bride and the groom left, the mandap was literally at the level of the sea. Literally, we were cutting it. Like उतना planning किया था हमने कि भाई यहाँ पे इतने टाइम पे start करेंगे, यहाँ तक end होना है. And the clients were on board. They're like करना तो यहीं पे करना है, even if it is like
You know,
ankle
the
deep,
first thing I had told this client,
we're okay.
हम लोग जब रेकी के लिए गए थे, एंड तब तक तो क्लाइंट के दिमाग में आइडिया भी नहीं थी, बट मेरे को अपना बकेट लिस्ट टिक करना था ना, तो वो सीक्रेटली हाँ
And they were on board.
हम लोग है ना ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे. तो मैंने बोला मैम मुझे लगता है ना मंडप हमारा इधर होना चाहिए. सुरभि जी कैसे बोल रहे हैं आप? मैंने बोला देखिए मैम आप थाईलैंड आए हैं, आप बॉलरूम में तो करने आए नहीं हैं, ठीक है. पूल पे तो हम इंडिया में भी कर सकते हैं, कहीं भी. बीच पे करिए, यहाँ पे तो गवर्नमेंट देता भी है, ओके गो अहेड भी देता है, आप करवा पाएंगे? मैंने बोला हाँ हम कर लेंगे. कर लीजिए. वो दिन का है. उसके बाद तो कितने डिस्कशंस हो गए हैं कि नहीं बीच पे नहीं करेंगे, या तो बारिश आ सकती है या कुछ हो सकता है. क्लाइंट ने खाली मेरे को देखा, सुरभि कर लेंगे ना? मैंने बोला हाँ मैम कर लेंगे.
तो ऐसा ही एक क्रेजी डिजाइन जो अभी तक आपने नहीं किया है.
मुझे डेजर्ट पे करना है, ड्यून्स के बीच एक ब्यूटीफुल सेटिंग, वो मुझे हम 100% करना है. एक है जो मेरे को कश्मीर में करना है. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट स्पॉट्स दैट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड, उसके हिसाब से है.
You want to do a Buddhist wedding also,
Yes.
which we haven't in.
व्हिच वी हैवंट.
Yeah,
तो
that's
काफी कुछ है जो करना बाकी है डिजाइन सेंस में भी. एंड जैसे सूर्यगढ़ में वो आपका कचेरी जैसा दिखता है, वेयर देयर इज अ सेंट्रल लोकेटेड मंडप एंड देयर आर वाटर बॉडीज अराउंड. मुझे वैसा कुछ करना है. देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट आई वांट टू रियली क्रिएट एंड गेट टू, व्हिच आई विल.
So are you considering really writing a book?
मैं कह रही हूँ मेरे पास तो पूरा है. कौन से कलर कॉम्बिनेशन
Somebody will learn from your
Cra-
experiences.
She's not much of a writer.
I'm not much of a मैं खाली कुछ कुछ लिख देती हूँ कभी कभी and I think I'm more a storyteller through my eyes and through my whatever visuals that I can do and because I'm a dancer I don't think I can get to a pen and a paper मेरे लिए sketch करना और ये सारी चीजें बस खाली design तक सीमित है and किसी दिन मेरे को एक इन्होंने book ला के भी दी थी about businesses and all of that मुझे मैं खाली इसको हमेशा बोलती हूँ तू पढ़ ले मुझे बता देना उसके बाद क्या
तो ये ऐसी है अगर बुक पढ़ना है हाँ, I read a lot.
he reads a lot I need
I read a lot.
in front
I
of
have
me
to read.
like मुझे वो
So
visual
she is someone, अगर मैं उसको बुक लेके आऊँ तो बोलेगी बुक का टाइटल लिखेगी चैट जीपीटी पे और बोलेगी समराइज द स्टोरी तो इतना एक पैराग्राफ
नहीं हो जैसे चार्ली एंड वो जो फॉक्स वाला जो एक वो बुक था I love that book because it was all picture based I am like this child who loves illustrations who loves interpretation who loves design over
Kevin
everything
and Hobbes.
आपको अगर एक मैसेज भी देना है जैसे वो बुक में था it was that I don't know if you know that book that Fox and the Horse and वो चार्ली मैक्सी की जो बुक है it was all
Everybody should read that book, huh?
it was all through designs and that is why it connected with me
And it was only 100 pages.
yeah
वो बोलना पहले
so it was yeah I also look at that
thickness.
जैसे एक बुक है जो मैं पता नहीं जब से मैंने अपनी हीलिंग चालू की है तब से मैं पढ़ती आ रही हूँ उसका दिन का खाली 5 पेज पढ़ती हूँ या कभी वो भी नहीं थ्रू माई ट्रैवल्स उतना तक पढ़ती हूँ और उसके बाद फिर मैं उसमें एक ऐसे फोल्ड बना के रख देती हूँ कि हाँ इधर तक तो पढ़ लिया है सो एवरी टाइम आई लुक एट इट आई एम लाइक हाँ इतना तो पढ़ा so yeah not much of a reader more of a visualizer more of a person who likes colors who loves to see things rather than
So I have another question, right?
Yeah.
You just told right कि initially कोई wedding नहीं देता, right? आपने बोला कि मैं गया and you being very kind enough and being upfront कि boss हमने तो start किया है भैया please support करो we have good aspiration trust us
yeah
and God being kind enough now you where you are but to a newcomer right how he can scale the business
wow
or how he can
You have to go through
10 weddings.
You have to go through the grind. I think it's important.
Thing is, obviously,
See, मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर वो क्लाइंट में आपके क्लाइंट को आपके अंदर वो एंथुजियाज्म
हुनर
दिखता है आई वुड फर्स्ट लुक एट हाउ एंथुजियाज्म यू आर अबाउट टू डू दिस
See, you're an entrepreneur yourself, right? And I'm sure you'll agree to this point. There's a difference between 100 no's and 1 yes.
yes.
That 1 yes can actually make a lot of difference.
Yeah.
So after hearing 100 no's, that 1 yes after those 100 no's can actually turn around your life.
And I think behind 1 yes, there is always 100 no's, right? Irrespective wherever you are.
and it only gets you
Learn from
better trust me it only gets you better to all the newcomers
Yes.
I don't think they should lose heart we did and
See, this
I'm
new
sure
generation-
everybody will but always have that faith always have that thing that lights you up it could be just anything it could be design it could be a movie it could be whatever makes you happy show that in your work and bring it all out
And
there
this new generation, I was reading an article that the choices between the millennials and the Gen Z's weddings is little different now,
yes
right? So how you're seeing that trend?
Gen Z is
Fruit-
very
very
involved Gen Z is very involved very tech based very
They're all very
skill
optimal, I would say.
they like everything millennials were maybe like I told you they were very story driven they were all Gen Z likes that touch of
Gen Z
time.
बोलते हैं मेरे को ऋतु कुमार नहीं पहनना है, मेरे को सदीप सिकच नहीं पहनना है.
Yeah.
वो बोलता है मेरे को हनीमून के लिए जाना है सैंटोरिनी.
they already have their checklist
है
in
उनके
mind
पास.
मतलब उनके पास दिमाग में उनको पता है उनको
They
क्या
care
चाहिए
what they have.
Yes,
they know what they want
they know what they want. They will not budge from that.
And how you think the technology will play a major
technology has already started to play a very big role in Indian weddings right from you have robotics in place right to having AI in place to having I don't know so many things so
No, so
technology
we've used this Mitra AI. If you know, there's a robot called Mitra AI. So there's a company called Mitra. It's here itself in its layout.
Okay.
So they have a robot, which we are incorporating soon to use in our guest experiences.
and check-in processes
So basically, what it can do is it has facial recognition, and
your
you
Aadhaar card
feed
would
in your
already
data, and the minute a guest walks in, it'll say,
like Digi
"Hi,
Yatra
Mr. Arun."
Digi Yatra for a hotel for your check-in process
Yeah,
give the room numbers and everything.
वो आपको ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन होना जरूरी है
it is required.
बिकॉज वो क्लाइंट सर्विसिंग अल्टीमेटली ह्यूमन ये आपके लिए एक
Enabler.
हाँ
Yeah.
ये आपको एनेबल लाइक यू जस्ट सेड ये आपको एनेबल कर देगी आपको एक वाव फैक्टर ले आएगी कि वाह ये एक नया चीज है हाँ
Yeah.
बट जब तक ह्यूमन का टच नहीं आता, सर आप ठीक हो, हाउ वाज योर जर्नी, डू यू वांट एनीथिंग, जब तक ये आपको रोबोट पूछेगा तो आपको शायद पसंद भी नहीं आएगा.
And clients are happily accepting.
Yeah,
People who are open to the idea, yes, why not?
All right, that brings to the end to our conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Arun.
Thank you so much. And so sorry if I have asked something.
No,
Oh,
we
no,
loved
no,
it.
we enjoyed
absolutely
thoroughly.
enjoyed it.
Really means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.